Good afternoon and welcome to this week's Collocations lesson. My name is Michael. I am a qualified IELTS examiner and an English professor, and I am making these videos to help you get a high score in your vocabulary for your IELTS exam. What are collocations? Well, collocations are a natural combination of words. Why are collocations important? They help you speak and write English in a natural and accurate way. They increase your range of vocabulary, and they are part of the IELTS band descriptors for writing and speaking tests. If you would like to score higher than a 7 in your IELTS test, you must use collocations. Okay, so today we're going to look at city collocations, words that relate to cities. This is an important topic in the IELTS exam, so it's good for you to know some of the collocations you can use. Let's look at our example. In the bustling centre, you can enjoy high-quality urban living with reliable public transport, and shops and restaurants whose long opening hours will suit your busy lifestyle. So we have these collocations. Bustling centre, that means full of busy activity. Urban living, which means city living. Then we also have the collocations such as reliable public transport. So if you're talking about public transport that is good and efficient, you can call it reliable. We also say long opening hours if we're talking about shops and restaurants that are open for a long period of time. And we also use the word busy when we are describing our lifestyle. Let's review those collocations today. So we have bustling centre, urban living, reliable public transport, long opening hours, and busy lifestyle. Thank you very much for listening to today's lesson, and if you would like a private lesson with me, please contact me on Skype, Kakao Talk, or on WhatsApp. Stay safe, stay healthy, study English, and stay tuned. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Goodbye.